My name is Yanomi. I'm from Tokyo, Japan. My show is Attain the Life of Miss Hiccup. From morning until night. So she lives alone, but she's always doing many silly, stupid things. This is Miss Hiccup. So the flowers and many plants like rising up from my head is instead of hair. So it's not the hat. Everybody told me after my show that I've never seen that show before, so I cannot describe it. So this is the opinion from the most of the audience. There are a lot. I'm really looking forward to see my three moms and also my pussy spring again.